Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Watch this video and learn how to achieve the style. I'm working with Ankara and Asooke. Okay, so I'll be combining two of them to achieve this particular style. So the Asooke I'm using is 4 layers. So the first thing I did was to fold some inches in, place it on my head, and the measurement I'll be using here is 90-10. Okay, so once I place it on my head and take the measurement, I'm going to take the remaining to the back and knot it. After knotting it properly, I will tuck in the remaining from the 10. Okay, so that is the side that I'm tucking in, the part from the 10. Okay, now once I'm done, I'm going to drag this other side, the 90, so it will be tight on my head. Then work with the Ankara. This Ankara is 2 yards. I'll start by folding it into two. Okay, then turn it and fold some inches in before placing it on my head. The measurement I'm using here is still 90-10. Okay, so when placing this Ankara, I'm going to slant it so that it will be like a V on my head. Okay, then take it to the back and knot it, still 90-10. So after knotting it, if you watch very well, you're going to see a small hole here. That's where I'm going to tuck the remaining from the 10 in and use one pin to secure that place. Why I'm securing it with one pin is because when I bring the remaining, this 90 from the Asooke and the Ankara material, I'm going to tuck it in that place. Okay, I will tuck it in there and secure it properly. So working with this 90 now, I'm going to first of all wrap the Asooke. I'm going to wrap it from beginning to the end, then also wrap the Ankara material from beginning to the end. Once I'm done wrapping both of them, I'm going to cross them. Just see the way I'm wrapping them, crossing both of them together. I'll continue to do that from beginning to the end. Okay, so once I'm done, you're going to see the next thing I'm going to do. Please, if today is the first time you are coming across my video, my page, please follow this page to learn more and also help me to share this video out. Give this video a like so that it will be visible to people to watch and learn. Okay, let me also know the country you're watching me from at the comment section. Thank you very much for doing that. So once I'm done wrapping both of them together, I'm going to place on my head. Just see, then after placing it, I'll take it to the back, remove the pin there and tuck it in that hole. I'll tuck it in properly. After tucking it in, I'm going to secure with pins. Okay, I'm going to secure them with pins, and once I'm done, I'm going to turn and arrange it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to arrange it. So you can see this head wrap is very easy and it is also beginners friendly. So always practice so that you can be able to tie this by yourself. Alright, thank you very much for staying by to learn. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to share this video, comment, and also follow this page to learn more. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye bye.